Good smell. It's a good day. All right, today is March 30th, 2008 here at Lightning Raceway, the excitement capital of the world. Karl's getting old Betsy ready for 2 hours.
I don't even clean my helmet.
2 hours of fun and recreation in the mud of Tippecanoe, Ohio. I will be racing the Husqvarna because my KTM is brand new and I do not want to subject it to the destruction of the mud. As you can see, we will be riding through today. So, when we come back, we'll be getting ready to go to the line to do battle for 2 hours in the mud at Lightning Raceway Park. Cut.
Karl's in the back. Okay. Bill's right there, and then blue and gold. Yeah, 509, yeah.
It's all cricket.
you do it. Oh, exhausted.
Think you can play like 3 hours of guitar now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Where's Carly Poo?
He is soaking up his wounds.
What happened to him?
Flipped over the handlebars.
So he says. Flipped over the handlebars. He does that a lot.
Oh yeah, he's got a nasty little mark to prove it. Oh yeah.
Oh, Merle.
Face of a champion.
Oh. Well.
Okay, now that Karl's, well, he's halfway decent. Check out the injuries here. Oh yeah. This little basher. Yeah, a little burn mark back there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Another burn mark. Cool. And yet he looks like a champion.
I don't know. All I know is I
What legs are hurt?
me, not sore. Ah la 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 la,
Oh, you know
not
what? I can do
sore.
that too. Hey, look.
Look, Karl can do that too. Do some jumping jacks.
Look like a retard at Chuck E. Cheese.
You might want to hold it.
My question is, how's it really look by myself?
Over there.
Well, here at Lightning Raceway today, it was a tough, muddy race, and I took second place. I'm very happy with that. It was a tough battle between me and some guy in a Yamaha. He got me today, but there's always next time. Oh, yeah. He beat Billy!
Oh, yeah.
Overall!
Overall.